Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Angel from That's Just Trading, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video on the YouTube series. Let's go. I'm super excited to be here, guys. Super excited to let you know to talk about the stock that we're going to talk about today. Make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end of the video. If you haven't followed me on Stock Tweets and Instagram yet, go hit it up right now and leave a comment, guys. If y'all want me to do anything in particular, y'all want me to go over a certain stock, or y'all want me to do some of my favorite strategies or anything like that, you know, you just go leave it in the comments. But without further ado, guys, let's just hop into it. Yo. So the stock we're going to be talking about today, guys, is Tesla, right? So right now is Tuesday morning, or Tuesday mid-morning, right? It's 11, almost the afternoon already. And Tesla's just going down, man. It's going down. It looks like it wants to come test this 605 area. And the main thing I want to talk about today is where we can see Tesla bouncing, maybe why it's going down, you know. Real quick, look, check this out. Look at our 200 EMA here on the 1 hour, right? We kind of went through it last time a little bit, but then we bounced right off of it. And it almost looks like the same thing's going to happen this time. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see here, but we're kind of cracking through this 200 EMA, just like how we did before. This was Thursday of last week at 9 in the morning. We cracked through this 200 EMA, and then we bounced, and we held that support. So now I'm kind of looking for a bounce here. I'm currently in Tesla right now. And I'm kind of looking for a bounce here in this area around where we cracked through the 200 EMA last time. And I wanted to form a big uptrend line, right? So I wanted to form some point of support that I can draw my uptrend line here and say, okay, you know what? Like, let's say here, right? Wanted to draw my big uptrend line here and say, okay, now we can draw my flag squeezing against this uptrend line, right? So if we draw this one, right? There's one, right? Oh, I'm not sure what I didn't draw, right? Here was another nice flag setting up in the past days. Boom, look at that. Look at this one. Look at this flag. This was a beautiful flag. Squeezed against this 200 EMA and went almost up $80 to new highs, almost hit 700, right? So now it looks like we're doing the same thing. So right now, if we look at our 15-minute, we're on this big downtrend line, guys. And it just can't seem to break out of it. Yesterday too, you know, it had these false breakouts, right? I call them false breakouts and these false hopes, and I told you about them. I told you all about them on the last videos, right? So it's when these breakouts happen, and then they come to test these supports, and they don't hold, right? It just shows that there's a lot of bearish, there's a lot of bearish people in the stock, a lot of shorts in the stock, which means the stock's gonna end up probably going down, right? So we can see here also on our RSI, this RSI is way oversold, guys. I mean, it hasn't even gotten this oversold in the last low. You can see here, you know, we're way oversold here. So, I mean, Tesla's due for a bounce point at some point. But like I said, where is that bounce point going to be, you know? Is it going to be here at, looks like it cracked already at the 620 area, 619 area? Or is it going to be down here at the 605 area, you know? And so, like I said, guys, I mean, as long as we hold this support at the 200 EMA, I mean, it's Tesla, you know? Tesla's not going to go to zero. I mean, it may go down, but, I mean, in reality, Tesla is one of the biggest franchises and the biggest stocks, I mean, in the world, you know. They're always coming up with new things, and you know, the reason I feel like the reason that Tesla's going down right now is because all these other companies are trying to compete with it. All these other EV companies. I mean, you saw in our last video we talked about Apple, and Apple's now trying to create a iCar, right, which is an EV car, kind of trying to compete with Tesla. But I mean, Tesla's the OG, you know. Like, I'm not gonna marry the stock, you know. I'm gonna play it, but I mean, still. I mean, Tesla's bound to bounce at some point. I mean, I don't think the stock is going to let it go to zero. I mean, all these analysis and all these reports, if you do your readings, guys, if you do your research, all these analysis and reports, I mean, the Tesla is expected to hit 1,000 in the next few months. I mean, and it's like they say, you know, these analysts say, I mean, Tesla might have to do another reverse stock split because of how many people are in it and how many people trade it to go up and how expensive the stock is. So, I mean, that's just a lot of good analysts, a lot of good reports. I haven't seen a lot of bad reports lately, guys. And I mean, it's Tesla, you know. I mean, tomorrow they could release news that they're making an all-electric rocket or something. You know what I mean? And the stock would go to 1,000. I mean, it's just crazy, you know. It's all on what they tweet and it's all on the news and stuff. But in reality, I feel like Tesla's bound to go back up soon. I unfortunately got my contract for this week on the 24th. So I mean, if Thursday comes and Tesla's still maybe sideways trending, consolidating. I'm probably going to roll out to the next week. And because, like I said, guys, I mean, I see a lot of upside on Tesla. I see a lot of great things happening with it. I really like it. It's kind of one of my everyday kind of trade things, you know. Like I said, coming from this low of 566, you can draw your uptrend line. If we can hold this support here and now break out of this downtrend line, that'd be beautiful. You know, even just test. It doesn't have to go high today. It can test 660 around there. Maybe this this resistance line that, because it was support now became resistance at 650, right? Maybe reject there, kind of consolidate. Then that gives us hope for tomorrow. You know, tomorrow we can maybe pop up, test the support line like this, right? Let's say we pop up, test the support, and then make new highs and break that another downtrend line. You know, that, I mean, that'd be perfect, guys. You know, so like I said, guys, Tesla has a lot of upside. I really enjoy playing it. You know, it's just right now that it's going down with all of the news that's been coming out with all these electric, all these other EV companies that are trying to compete with Tesla, kind of giving it bad news, bad reps and stuff, saying they're gonna be the next Tesla, and just kind of all that thing. So right now it's all these other stocks are just kind of like buy the hype, you know, buy the hype right now. And then when the stock actually comes out with, oh, we released an iCar, you know, that's when everyone sells it, because, okay, you know, like I bought the hype, now I'm selling it because it already reached a high. Like I don't care about it anymore, you know, I don't care what happens now. So, like I said, guys, I mean, you can even draw your downtrend like here on your RSI area, kind of where it's been rejecting this 50 area also. So I mean, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys. This was just my thoughts and my opinions on Tesla. I'm in my opinion, I'm 99.5% sure that Tesla's gonna reverse, and it's gonna find support here around almost where it cracked the 200 EMA last time. So as long as we can hold up that support and it's not a false breakout, really enjoy playing Tesla. You know, it's just right now, like I said, all the EV players are trying to compete. But anyways, guys, that about does it for the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you stay tuned for our daily videos, guys. Make sure you comment if you want me to do a certain stock or you want me to go over certain plays, my personal things, like I said. And stay tuned for more videos on other stocks and other option schemes.